In this video I will show you how to connect Ecwid to Amazon. So to do this, go and open up Ecwid. Then what you want to do is in the left menu here, click on Sales Channels. Now here when you scroll down a little bit, you will see Sell on Online Marketplaces, and in this list you will find Amazon. So you can list your products where the world shops. So go and click on Sell on Amazon. And now here, in order to do this, you will need to get this plan, the business plan, because in the business plan you will have the ability to sell on Amazon and eBay. Now we want to sell on Amazon, therefore you will need to have this plan. Now you can either pay monthly, which will be 45 euros per month, or you can pay annually, and then it comes out to 39 euros per month. So choose whether you want to bill monthly or annually, enter your details and start your subscription. Then after doing that, go back to the sales channels here, scroll down until you see Amazon and click learn more, and then here you can go and click on connect. Now once you do that, you will be able to sell on all Amazon sites. So you can sell on the most popular Amazon sites, including Amazon US, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Canada, Spain, Australia and more. You can also manage product listings right from your Ecwid dashboard. So you will be able to upload your products to Amazon and manage the listings from your store's control panel, which is this right here. You can also track sales and inventory from within the Ecwid dashboard, which will basically help you stay up to date on your sales and have your inventory automatically synced to prevent overselling and needing to offer refunds. So the integration with Amazon is provided by a third-party app and additional costs apply. So just go ahead and click on connect in this section in order to connect to your Amazon store. You do need to be a seller on Amazon in order to connect it, otherwise you cannot of course sell on Amazon. So now you know how to connect Ecwid to Amazon. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the